Alan Eck is an engineer for Lehigh Valley Plastics. He makes sure the products are made correctly. If they are not, the company can lose money. In his job, he says that there is always something to learn. Luke Banks is one of the workers at Lehigh Valley Plastics. He helps to make a lot of different products in the company. In his job, he explains how you can learn programming and hands-on skills. Avery Henthorne serves as the group leader for the company. He ensures everyone has the necessary materials to complete their job, as well as ensuring parts ship on time and that jobs are properly scheduled. Brian Brudenak sets up, programs, and operates CNC machines at the facility. His role in the company is as a machinist. These CNC machines are necessary to the process of manufacturing the plastic and forming the plastic into necessary parts later distributed to consumers. Joe Arosky is a shop efficiency analyst, and his main job is to ensure that data is accurate and normalized. He makes sure machines run smoothly and correctly to output good final products. Jeff Martin is the plant manager at Lehigh Valley Plastics, and he is responsible for safety and a safe environment for employees. He makes sure machines, people, or processes are working correctly and efficiently. He is constantly looking at new technology. A college degree is helpful but not required for his position.